In 1768, a curious discovery in Italy puzzled scientists. A salamander regrew its tail. This sparked debates among naturalists. Why could some creatures regenerate while others couldn't? Theories emerged, linking it to ancient survival tactics. Fast forward to 1902, when Thomas Hunt Morgan in New York experimented with the flatworms, proving regeneration wasn't magic but biology. This revelation shifted scientific paradigms, influencing modern regenerative medicine. Today, the mystery continues to inspire, urging us to explore nature's secrets. Could understanding these creatures unlock human healing potential? The quest for answers remains, bridging past wonders with future possibilities.